MSc Maths classes 10th class 8th chapter trigonometry identity having the same value. अभी मैंने साइन थीटा और कास थीटा का लगा दिया हूँ, यूट्यूब में अपलोड कर दिया हूँ, देख सकते हैं आप. tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. Here sin is present. Similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta is there. So in terms of, you can convert this into cos theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. So denominator and numerator multiplied by sin theta. Then you can get sin square theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. So it is again written as sin square divided by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta means cosec theta. So tan theta is equal to sin square theta divided by cos theta into cosec theta. Similarly, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to sin theta 1 into 1 by cos theta. So tan theta is equal to sin theta into sec theta.